Hi guys, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed and to everyone who's commented. I've been away, but I want to get back into making more videos, especially Blythe craft videos, more sewing. So if there's anything you'd like to see, just give me a shout and let me know. Thank you. I got some silver metal clay for my birthday and I'm building up to trying it out for the first time. So I want to practice some sculpting again and decided to make some polymer clay goodies. And I'm going to be showing some of the making of this little articulated AR or VR PlayStation robot built up around a wire frame so the limbs can move. Here as well are some Steven Universe characters I made for my daughter at the end of last year. They're far from perfect, but she likes to play with them. Here's my initial sketch to work from and the making of the wire frame. This is gardening wire with a plastic coating, which bonded with the clay in the oven, which was a plus for me as it means the limbs don't slip off the wire. If I make another, I'll use thinner wire though, as it's quite stiff. I started building up the body parts gradually, making a thinner version of each limb first, and then baking it before going back and adding more clay on top to get the right proportions. For the eyes, I rolled out a flat sheet of black. I made a couple of dimples for the eyes and rolled in 2 small blobs of the blue, so they were flush with the black before then sticking that to the head. Once they're baked again, I painted thin lines and little black feet onto the robot, and I varnished his face, although he toppled over while drying and managed to get a little mark on there. Here's some Steven Universe gems I also made for my daughter to play with too. Here's a couple of charms I made for a USB stick so we can see what's on it at a glance. Thanks for watching.